139 pesos, buy one get one birria, yes? Hi mga ka-locals! Alam nyo ba, I found a gem in Pasay that serves really good and affordable birria. Plus, they have fries and rice meals as well. Kaya naman today, tara, samahan nyo ako and let's go to Macho Birria. Alam nyo, pagpasok nyo pa lang sa store, grabe, maaamoy nyo na talaga the birria and it smells so good. Kakagutom to. Anyway, so today, syempre I'm going to try their buy one get one. In fairness dito ha, very generous sila with the beef inside. Tapos alam nyo ba, ang flavorful din ng beef nila. And it's not your usual birria kasi yung sauce niya is incorporated na inside the birria itself. So it's not messy na to eat. Grabe, sarap nito. Still can't get over it. Anyway, syempre for appetizer pala, we tried din their mucho fries. Yung fries naman nila is also topped with a lot of beef and their cilantro sauce. Super bet ko yung cilantro sauce nila. Ang sarap. And if you're a rice lover, meron din silang birria rice meal here na syempre, sauce pa lang, ulam na. And the beef, my gosh, panalong panalo. Kaya naman, if you're looking for the perfect place to have your birria fix, make sure you check them out. And they also have some refreshing drinks. Yun lang, kain tayo!